Good morning, YouTube. This your boy Road Runner Chris, and yeah, so I'm just woke up about an hour ago, and guess what I woke up to? Guess what I really woke up to? Like, be for real. It wasn't like this yesterday, but all of a sudden, it's like this now. Guess what I really woke up to? I can't believe it myself, man. Watch this. Snow. Snow everywhere. Why? 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 Ooh. Yeah. This some real bull. Look at this. Snow everywhere. Why? Why? I can never understand that. Why? Some real BS, man. But guess what? If you know me, you know ain't nothing finna delay my home time. I'm finna drive in this mud for real. I got to. I ain't been home in 2 months. So you think this finna stop me and delay my trip? Come on now. We about to get this load though, man. Oh, what's the matter? Yeah. Oh, snap. This one? Yeah.
This one it's not open.
It's not ready yet. Ooh, goddamn, you two, y'all dropped on the ground. Shit.
There you go.
All right, thank you. I appreciate you. Ooh, sheesh. All right, let's get it. Yeah, damn, you two, y'all dropped on the ground, man. Really, y'all really dropped on the ground. Look at all this. Prawn said they ain't moving. I seen like 3 or 4 Hirschbach come in this motherfucker, including me. But I ain't, obviously my load ain't ready yet, so it's all good. Mine it's all good. Ooh, I gotta clean my window, cause last time I had my window, or not my window, I say, bro, I can't talk today. Well, the last time I had this like this, I forgot to clean my headlights. And when I turned my headlights on, it was looking real dim. And I'm like, my headlights ain't on? So I drove like 3 hours. I was in Indiana. I drove 3 hours with my headlights like that. And it was frozen. I'm thinking my headlights didn't even work at all. I'm on the phone with a married couple right now.
All right, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is ready for you over at our drop lot at 3741 Morium Drive.
Yeah, I'm here. They saying that it's not ready yet.
Okay, well, I just called over the cooler and they don't have the paperwork over there, so it's on its way over to the drop lot.
Okay.
It'll be over there shortly.
All right,
okay?
thank you. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. That's crazy. I just left them over there. They said my load is not ready. I don't never have these problems when I come over here. Usually with my one other time I did. Out of the 8 times I've been here, I only had one problem. It's not really a problem. It's just the communication between the guard shack over here and then these people over here is really not great at all. going on with the traffic going towards Nashville? I see the cones headed out. Is it like just construction? Oh, he responded back. Appreciate that tip for. Feel like we're gonna be stuck in here forever. You heard him respond back to me? I'm about to say. With you. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Road Runner Chris. We are at our fuel stop right now. I'm in a rush to go home. I ain't gonna need a lot, so I barely been recording. I apologize about that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm ready to get home. I'm ready to go home. And yeah, so just at my fuel stop, and I will see y'all, I don't know, tonight or when I get to Florida. But yeah, y'all preview what we see. Yeah. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, man. Peace. It is currently 4:25 in the morning. I already did my pre-trip and everything. This is my load going home. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on the other side, cause right now, as you can see, yeah, it's dark. Yeah, it's dark. It's dark. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on the other side, man. Peace. We are home sweet home, baby. Home sweet home. Home sweet home, baby. Home. Oh, okay. Home sweet home, baby. Home sweet home. Florida, Florida, Florida. Yes, sir. I'm at the Walmart in Cocoa, Florida. I am home, sweet home. 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 I am home, YouTube. I am home. And I'm happy and I'm home.